think honestly, you'll always get better results doing it in-house. What's interesting though is like, as the owner of the business, just be aware, you're always going to be your best closer, man. You are always going to be the one who gets the highest close rates. And it's a pain in the ass to talk on the phone all day long. Some customers want to talk for 10, 15 minutes and do all the small talk. And it's part of the experience for them, right?
I think I've trained myself to get worse on the phone. I've gotten robotic where I no longer have the personality I used to have, like the charisma I used to have that would land work. It's kind of gone on the phone when people call out of nowhere. I know you posted a video once that I thought was funny. It was like, you're all rushing through work and you're like, hey, can you text me your address? And you like hang up. I feel like I'm doing that, but I got to do the job I'm at. And also it takes a minute to go on my phone, pull my tablet out, check the schedule, line them all up and book it that way, the way they want. And if you don't book things and nurture them the way they need, then it's hard to accommodate sometimes. I need to figure out like a script or something that's more, I don't want to say manipulative, but formatted towards like, what's your name, and write it down, what's this, what's that, and then basically force them into giving you details instead of just what's it cost for 2 rooms. Because I get that all the time, like 1 room, 2 room, or just a couch. Because my website's ranking for upholstery, and I think that's it. So I'm getting tons of price dropping upholstery jobs, and it's really sketchy because some of them are, like last night I got a 1 couch job, and then I walked out of it $850 just off 1 stop, and I was up in Montecito, the hill of Santa Barbara. If I would have known that, I would have probably approached it a little different, but you never know.
What you're talking about is the idea of a consultative sales process, or a process where somebody calls you and you're not just responding with a quote, just responding with a number and then hoping that they say yes and they book. I think that's where a lot of people start when they're answering the phones. These people are calling, I'm busy, or I'm just hoping to win the job. So I want to get them the price as quickly as possible. Maybe I want to build a little value by telling them what's included with that price. And then I'm just like trying to get them to agree to book it. And that's a good place to start. Where Kelly and I ended up going with our cleaning business, because I started in that same spot. And then I got busy in the field. I couldn't take all the calls. I started hiring and trying to get out of the field so that I could keep taking the calls. But then I got burnt out on the phone too. Even once I was out of the field and all I had to do was answer the phone and answer emails all day, I got burnt out anyways, because we got 50 phone calls a day. So I hired Kelly to help answer the phones, and she helped me put together this consultative sales process where when people called, rather than responding like we're on our heels, like, hey, what's your minimum? What's your 2-room price? How much for a sofa? And you're just like trying to snap out a response with a number in it. Instead, you can disarm them and take control of the conversation, which is what you want to do. You want to take control of the conversation and start consulting on their actual needs by asking them questions. So you respond to their question with a question. That's how you open up the call with them. So they might ask you, how much for 2 rooms? And you'd say, yeah, I'm happy to help you with that. Let me ask you a couple questions. Do you have any pets? Is it just the 2 rooms? Do you have a hallway or any other rooms that you'd like done while we're there? Any furniture like that? You just ask them kind of open-ended questions, or questions designed to get them to give you more information so that you can quote them better serve their needs, offer the pet treatment if they need it, or the deep scrub, however your service looks. But you start asking them a couple of questions to kind of turn the tables and get them answering your questions instead of you answering their questions. And then you're in a better position when you give that price